Hello from my side also. It's really an honor to be here and to be part of the climate solution of AAI. It's really, we are proud to be here and I'm happy to present our system. So maybe next slide. First, what is blusign? So blusign, we started as a project in 1997 out of a textile mill and was then founded in 2000. And the idea of this project was, how can we reduce impact? And impact with a big focus on chemicals at this time. And so out of this textile mill, then it was really elaborated this system that I will explain you in more detail now. So at today we have more than 800 system partner. We call our customer system partner because we believe that it's a partnership that we have with them. And this is also like this, when they are part of blusign, of the blusign system, then they can call themselves blusign system partner. Our headquarters in Switzerland and Germany. We have people working in the USA, Hong Kong, Taiwan, China, Japan, India, Korea, Vietnam, Bangladesh, and Turkey. So we are globally positioned. We are, since 2008, a member of the SGS group in Switzerland. They own 80% of blusign, but we are independently operating. Next slide, please. So what is the systematic approach of blusign? So the goal of the system is risk minimization, reduction of impact, protection of people and the environment, and resource productivity efficiency. This is achieved by checking on people, environment, and resources. So this is maybe now a little bit vague, so let's go deeper into how exactly the system is working. The next slide. So we are working with 3 segments of parts of the textile supply chain. So we start working with chemical suppliers. We go there and assess the sites. We do a holistic and really, a full environmental and production audit. So we go there on the site, we check on various areas what is the status quo of this company, and then we start rating the production of the products of this company, so that we can say this product produced by a good company is chemistry that is blusign approved. And the same we are doing with textile manufacturers, not only textile, also accessories like buttons, zippers, so on the whole supply chain also of the textile supply chain, but focused on tier 2, because tier 2 we think where the most impact is, and there we are strongest also. But we could, the system would work on the whole supply chain. And we have also on the whole supply chain customers, but focused on tier 2. Also on the manufacturers, site audit. So we do a full comprehensive environmental audit, checking not only on occupational health and emergency preparedness, we checking on input stream management. This is one of the key also of the blusign system, and resource management, that we can enable the company to produce on a good level blusign approved material. The blusign approved material needs to be produced on a site that is audited and has no non-conformities, and needs to be produced with blusign approved chemistry. Then we can give our brand customers the possibility to use blusign approved material for their blusign products. This is the labeling, yeah? So we have a label that is called blusign product, blusign approved for chemistry, and blusign approved for textile. But for the mills, the system, we really focus on how we can help them to improve. Maybe we can go to the next slide. So we have the blusign criteria where we have exactly written down what is the standard, and these criteria are publicly available, and they go through a stakeholder process also when we renew them, and so it's absolutely transparent what is our standard and what a production site should need to be achieving. So we do a first assessment on a mill. We go there and check what is the status quo with this criteria and the status quo of the mill to the criteria of blusign. And then we give them a report. Maybe we can go to the next slide. So our manufacturers that work in our system, they get, after this first assessment, a three-part report. One side is the site assessment report, where we do the whole verification of the blusign criteria and process conformity. So we check the different data, if they are correct, and what they have given us. So we verify the data for the resources, we verify the data for the chemical inventory. So we check, so this is really the checking criteria, status quo. We do a chemical assessment, so a full assessment of the whole chemical inventory regarding occupational health, consumer safety, and environmental impact of the chemical. We identify banned chemicals where we really can say these chemicals you need to change, and we give also a rating of these different chemicals, and we help them and initiate a follow-up of chemical change, where they really should change from chemicals that maybe are hazardous and harmful for the workers to blusign approved that we have assessed. And now the part that is very important on the resource side, we give them also a KPI assessment. So it's an evaluation of the eKPI performance on different scales. Yeah, so we give them a history when they are long with us. On the first time, they have a benchmark cross-industry report. They will get an evaluation of the saving potentials they could have and BAT recommendations. So our approach is that a mill that works with us gets a first clear eKPI report with the data, with the monitoring of their resource management and resource monitoring, and we help them to improve. And this with a clear roadmap. We can go to the next slide. So all our mills get, after the on-site assessment, a roadmap, and this meeting is as much important as the on-site assessment, because there we discuss the roadmap with the corrective actions and the proposed actions we give them. So we try to agree on both sides what is the best actions for them to improve, to have a reduction on resources, to have a better management on resources, to have a possibility they know where they could install the best available technique that is available. So we give them a roadmap to really improve on their journey to reduce impact on the planet. Okay. Exactly, this was it from my side. So the numbers, as a system, you really now think, okay, what is really the impact that we can give? So we have data from more than 20 years now. And we have real clear picture what our system also has done, or has where the numbers has been moved to. So this you can also see on the solution website, on the climate solution portfolio website. And I think it's really clear that our partner needs to do it, not we, but we can help them. We can really be there, and every partner from us has his own assessor auditor that is with him for the whole project, and it's a known blusign assessor. I think this is very important to mention. It's not that we hire some third-party companies. We have our own assessor that is really responsible for one project, for one mill, and working with them till the next reassessment. This is a absolutely continuous improvement system. Thank you.